first time around it got postponed, but this time it's definitely on. It's the 15th of May, 9 o'clock New York time. Let's take a closer look. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and the event is now back on. DJI has just released a bunch of teaser banners which showcase the date of the event and also the slogan, which is Unleash Your Other Side. The other thing shown in the banner is the date, May the 15th, 2019, 9 AM EST, which is 9 o'clock New York time. In the UK, that equates to 2 PM in the afternoon. You probably remember our teaser video from a few months ago, which we pulled announcing the original date. Well, that date got set back, unfortunately. We took the video offline to avoid any confusion of us talking about a date that was no longer going to happen. But it's back on, and I'm very excited. So taking a closer look at that banner that they have actually released, it looks like somebody dancing or swimming underwater. So you can see the sun shining through the surface of the water, and at the bottom of the banner it looks like some sort of ocean floor of some sort. Now, unlike previous teaser banners, this one really doesn't give much more away other than that. However, all I can say at the moment is take a look at our website, www.droningon.co, and be sure to click the little symbol in the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe, because when we publish a new article, you'll then get a notification, and on launch day at 9 AM New York time, we will have a full video review set of this brand new product. For various reasons, those videos won't go live on YouTube immediately, but they will be unlisted and embedded onto our website article announcing the launch on the 15th of May at 9 AM New York time. So be sure to visit and bookmark our website right now, get very excited, and keep watching. There has been a ton of rumour and speculation about what might be arriving on this date. Some YouTubers and vloggers are a little bit overconfident perhaps. All I would say is please try and avoid getting focused on one product or another. Just keep an open mind, bookmark that date, and look forward to it. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, comment below with what you would like to see at this launch event, and of course click subscribe, because not only on the launch event will we have a series of videos, but there'll be many more after that. Thank you very much for watching.